So welcome back to my channel and I hope you're doing well. In this tutorial video I'm gonna show you that how to make the real estate logo design. So let's start the video. Hold shift and alt key to make it bigger, and if you are new on my channel then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Hold shift and alt key to make it bigger manually. Then ungroup it. Bring C letter closer to H, and then we make a duplicate of C letter by offset path. Hold alt key to delete from the shape by using the shaper tool. Adjust these points by using the quick selection tool. Hold shift and alt key to make it bigger. Press Ctrl plus to zoom in and press Ctrl minus to zoom out. Press Ctrl C to copy this shape and press Ctrl F to paste in front, then rotate it. Select all of these and hold alt key to delete from the shape by using the shaper tool. And now we make a key shape. Hold shift and alt key to make it bigger. Then here we are increasing the stroke. Hold alt key and drag it to make a copy of it. Make a group of it. And then unite this shape. And then we make a copy of this shape by offset path. Select all of these and hold alt key to delete from the shape by using the shaper tool. And then we make the title. Hold Shift and Alt key to make it bigger. In here I choose the font Pajura. Select it and hold Alt key to make a copy of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for my upcoming videos, as well as follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, and I will be right back with another amazing video. And I hope that you will enjoy this video. Comment your thoughts and questions below.